There is nothing more frustrating than someone just starting out in business. He doesn't know where to start. He doesn't know the need to choose. He doesn't know what to sell, even how to sell. No one will listen to them because they have no credibility online. All kinds of frustration. Building a business is just like climbing a mountain. It's only the strong that can do it. So I've recently studied many entrepreneurs and found out what they were doing when they were just starting out in business, like you and I. If you're studying this business, if you're studying in business, or you're just starting out in business, then I made this video for you. My name is Emmanuel, a philanthropist who is very curious to discover the secret on how to run a successful business. I'm currently working on a project to help struggling business scale their business and to help struggling people start a business. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 lessons that I've learned from top entrepreneurs that will help you and I start up our own business and to scale up our own business. The first lesson I learned from top entrepreneurs is you have to enjoy the process. See, this is a journey. You and I have to enjoy the process. This is not something that you work today and start seeing results tomorrow. Alice Amos said that the world belongs to those who work for a very long period of time without seeing results. I know how difficult it is starting up a business, but you should realize that this is a journey. The best thing you and I can do is that we will pick one thing and do it for the next 10 years, or 5 years, or 20 years, and then try to get better each day and see how it goes. Because Brian said that when he was interviewed, he said that, you know what, I'm going to do this for the next 20 years and try to get better each day and see how it goes. Let us understand that this is a journey, that we have to get better on it every day by day. We have to do this for years before we get better. But the most important thing is that we should ask ourselves, what is the best thing that we can do at this moment, at this time of the day? And let us try to improve on everyday basis. It's a journey. You should learn how to enjoy it. If you doesn't learn how to enjoy the process, you will certainly give up. So let us learn how to enjoy the process. The second lesson is work very hard and smart. In one of Elon Musk's interviews, he said, when you are starting out a business, you have to work super hard. You know what super hard means? You are the one to do everything. You don't have money to pay employees. You don't have money to pay refugees. You are the one to do the website design. You are the one to build the landing page. You are the one to manage your YouTube channel. You are the one to manage all your social media platforms. You are the one to create a lead magnet. You are the one to edit your videos. You are the one to do the graphic design. You are the one to do all kinds of manual labors in your business when you are just starting out because you don't have money to leverage. And this is what hard means here. When you are starting out, you should have it in mind that you should work super hard. That super hard is very vital in success. Well, when you start seeing results for working super hard, then you should start working smart. Then you should start paying people to do your graphic design for you. You should start paying people to do your web design for you. You should start paying people to do your website for you. You should start paying people to edit your videos for you. This is what it means to work hard. And after working super hard, you start working smart. When you work super hard to do everything in the beginning and you start getting small money from your business, pay and leverage for more. That is what it means working smart. You use other people's time. You pay people to use their time and build your website for you. You pay people to use their time and edit their video for you. I hope you're grabbed. So the third lesson is focus on saying no. I want you to understand that although this video I'm not only making it for you, I'm making it for also myself because I'm just starting out in business. I want us to understand that when we are just starting out, there's a lot of distractions. There is a lot of distractions. And when we are just starting out, our power to succeed depends on our power to say no to certain things. There is a lot of things that we have to sacrifice for the one thing we are pursuing, for the one goal we have. Many people will tell you that this doesn't work, this is rubbish, this is blah 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 blah. Steve Jobs said that people who are crazy enough to think they will change the world are the people who certainly do. Because when we just starting out, people will condemn us and be like, this we are doing is rubbish. And for you to succeed at that moment, it's your power to say no to what they have said and succeed and focus on the one thing. Alex Amos said, If that in 3 generations, all those people that you're afraid of for their opinions will die, and you too will die. So you have just to get to work and don't care about what they say in your life, because you all will be dead. Whether you achieve your goal or not, whether they achieve their goal or not, we all are going to be dead one day. So we should just focus on our goal. So I want you to understand that as we are just starting out in this business, there will be a lot of distractions, and our power to succeed in this moment depends on our power to say no to certain distractions. The lesson number 4 is never stop hunting. A farmer will go to the same land he farmed and do the same thing he did yesterday to get food. He will cultivate it again and plant the same seed he plants to get what he got last year. And what he'll be getting this year may be less or the same with what he gets last year. But a hunter will be searching for different places for meat. He'll be searching for different continents for meat. He'll be searching for different continents for meat. Because he realized that sometimes a land may be infertile and this land may not be producing enough food for him to feed on. So never stop hunting. Never stop going for knowledge. Because something you know today, something that you and I know today, may not be certainly working tomorrow. So we just have to force that hunting on a daily basis. That something that is true today might not be true tomorrow. The thing that you know today may actually not be working tomorrow. So let us focus on hunting on a daily basis. Let us focus on searching for information on a daily basis. The lesson number 5 is that there is no perfect time. There is a quote that says that the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. I will give an example with my life. I have procrastinated for 1 year and 5 months for something that would actually take me a day to complete. This is a life lesson. This is experience. It's not a theory. I have procrastinated for 1 year and 5 months for something that actually took me 1 day to complete. Any idea that you have in your head, start it now. Don't wait for the perfect time. One of the mistakes I made is I was wishing to start what I wish I had than starting with what I have. It's better for me and you to start with what we had than starting with what we wish we had. So this is the 5th lesson. The sixth lesson is it's never too late to be who you might have been. Many people will be like, the time has gone. The only reason it's important starting on time is so that we will have a lot of time to make mistakes and correct them and still have time. That is the most essential thing why we say you should start on time. So that a guy who is 20 years old can make a lot of mistakes and then correct it when he's 30 years old. But a man who is 90 years old making a lot of mistakes, by the time he's 100 years old, he might be dead. So he sees now. The only reason we have to start on time is because we have time to correct our mistake. But nevertheless, I don't know how old you are watching this video, but I still want to tell you that you still have time, because no one knows when he's dying. You don't know how many years that is still left for you ahead. If you are 50 years old watching this video, you might still have up to 70 years old ahead. If you are 90 years old watching this video, you might still have 50 years old ahead, because no one knows when he or she will die. So no time is late to start, and no time is late to begin. No matter where you are now, start that business that you have been thinking. Then number 7 lesson I learned is always ask questions. In lesson number 2, I said work hard and work smart. The smart there I mean also is when you have money, you pay people that have been in that business before you, so that you will not have to repeat the same mistake that they have made. Let me come back to number 7. Try and ask questions. Those entrepreneurs you see there that are making billions of dollars, their mistake that they make that have kept them stranded for 10 years, 5 years, and 8 years. And there is every possibility that you are liable to make that same mistake. But when you ask questions and know the mistake that they have made, you can correct it and save 8 years of your time. If you want to be great in any business, try and ask questions. If people are doing better than you in business, it means they are better than you at the game. Lower your ego and learn from them. I'm also saying these things to me because I'm just starting out a business. So these are the 7 lessons I have learned from top entrepreneurs that will help you and I build a successful business. If you want to learn things I'm doing on a daily basis to build a successful business, you can watch the video next to this video and know the things that I'm doing on a daily basis to build a successful business. See you on the next video.